You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
People today. You remember the policeman at Orile that the boys put a knife, stuck a knife into his eyes. You made that happen. You bloody, stupid, filthy, wretched actors, actresses, producers. Fuck you all. Shame on you. You will die with nothing. You will die. Worms will eat your flesh and your blood. Worms will gather up and eat your heart up. That your bloody heart that is not resting than to destroy other people. You collected money from politicians to vote them in. You are a corrupt bastard manipulator motherfucker. You are sons of the devils. You are cruel. You are bad. You are everything. You are like that box that has everything evil in it. You sons of bitches. You are the one who's behind all this. You took money from politicians to vote them in. You are corrupt as them motherfuckers. You took money. Some of you cry like baby for them to help.
Hollywood actor Aremu Afolayan, most wanted like Kudo, has taken to his Instagram page to lay curses on Nigerian actors and politicians. According to him, Nigerian actors are beggars. All of you actors will die in pain. You kill those people. You encourage this to kill innocent people. He blames the current happenings in Nigeria on the Nigerian actors because the politicians paid them to do so. He stated that he was called to join the actors at the protest ground, which obviously they are going to pay him, but he refused to join them. He further stated that Sanwo olu is a murderer and an anarchist. He also laid curses on Nigerian politicians.
Good evening, Nigerians. I don't want to take much of your time, but there are things we need to talk about. My name is Aremu Afolayan. I am an actor and a movie producer, and I am a businessman. A lot of things have been happening in Nigeria lately, and we have no power. We have nothing to do about it. The only thing we can do as citizens is to protest. Then we call it peaceful protest. No guns, no cutlass. Then in the middle of everything, some gangs related issue came in, thugs being hired. Today we saw different videos about some men in suits. Men in suits, even if that was being hacked, they won't. That means they will be low budget kind of guys, so they won't have money to hire such cars. Definitely. So we saw those men on suits come to the protest ground to pick up thugs that are destroying properties and killing people, and we saw everything. And everybody tipped this situation down. Then we've been crying on the government, both local government and both state government and the federal government. And actually, they are just carrying papers all around like nothing happened. Actually, today I realized that The so-called state government that you are even afraid of as a Nigerian does not even have one single power. The governor of Lagos State cannot even make a law stand. He has no power. He's like the devil. He has no power. He's powerless. I thought as a governor, you have power over things, over your state. You don't even know what to say. You have no words. You have nothing to say. It's paining me that I have to speak English throughout. I wish I can speak Yoruba because I'm boiling too much and I'm trying my best to make sure everything is calm before I step out of this house tonight, because we are like 9 in this house, and we are all going to sleep in an hotel because it feels empty. It feels like, my ears keep humming like dead bodies are inside this house, and they are murmuring into our ears. I thought I was the only one, but many people were talking. And we just have to vacate this house tonight to go and sleep in an hotel. Maybe we will have peace from there. We saw many videos today. Many videos. Killing people. Ekiti. Lagos State, Abuja, everywhere is fucked up. Everywhere. People are dying. Ikorodu, everywhere. Please, I'm taking things calm. Because I wish I can say it the way I say it. But because I want to cut out to everybody, I have to speak nonsense English, stupid English. The government of this great nation has failed my parents, my grandparents, my forefathers. My government have sold them and made them be slaves. They've been slaves all their lives. They've been slaves. They had no time to hustle and make sure we become a better person today. Why we that do not have anything, we try to mingle with the elite sons and daughters, and they look at us like this, like we are low class. We take everything, then we struggle. Some of us don't struggle. We take it personal. We fight the earliest children and we tell them to fuck off. And things happen. 2020. As if the virus is nothing. Then the government keeps showing us color. There is one thing I need to say in Yoruba, and I do not care if anyone who's not Yoruba cannot hear. Okay, I care. This government are making me say rubbish. I care about you, not just ask a Yoruba man to translate for you. It says, Eshinshin jelegbo. Elégbò ò ṣe nǹkan kan. Kò sẹ́ni tó rí eṣinṣin. Kò sẹ́ni tó rí rárá. Wọ́n complain. Ìjọ́ tí elégbò bá fa eṣinṣin wọlé, tó bá sọ̀kẹ̀ wọlé, aráàlú á wá kígbe. They said the protesters are anarchists. They're like Joker and the Bane and, like Adolf Hitler and Napoleon of Italy. Meanwhile, they are anarchists. They are the chairperson of they kill broad daylight. What type of government does that? What type of government? You kill a government that kills its own citizen, broad daylight. I thought when you want to kill people, you have to make sure there is nobody there. Now you kill broad daylight. Now, this video is for my government and also so many other private citizens that overrate themselves to be stars of the world. I understand, they are stars. The Yoruba movie makers, the English movie makers, the musicians, the novel writers, all of them are stars. I'm part of them. I'm also a star. But I'm a joker. I'm no fucking star. I'm a fuzzy maraca. I'm nothing. Do you know what star means? Now, this video is to all of you. I'm starting from the Yoruba. All of you stars that has ever collected money from all the politicians. I know you all. Bloody hell you. Bloody hell you. You will rot in hell. You will cry blood soon. You are the motherfuckers that kill all those people today. You remember the policeman at Orile that the boys stuck a knife into his eyes. You made that happen. You bloody, stupid, filthy, wretched actors, actresses, producers. Fuck you all. Shame on you. You will die with nothing. You will die. Worms will eat your flesh and your blood. Worms will gather up and eat your heart up. That your bloody heart that is not resting than to destroy other people. You collected money from politicians to vote them in. You are a corrupt bastard manipulator motherfucker. You are sons of the devils. You are cruel. You are bad. You are everything. You are like that box that has everything evil in it. You sons of bitches. You are the one who's behind all this. You took money from politicians to vote them in. You are corrupt as them motherfuckers. You took money. Some of you cry like baby for them to help you. You don't even know your bloody worth. You that is supposed to be giving a politician money for campaign. They are bloody giving you 1 million. 1 million. What the fuck million? My fucking Apple laptop is 2 million naira, motherfucker. It's 2 million naira, 2019. 2 million. You are crying because you're wretched. You are corrupt. You are bad. You are stupid. You are complicity. I don't know what that fucking English means, but you are the evil. And devil will punish you. Oh God, devil, you have no idea what package the devil has for you when you fucking die. And I pray you die. All of you actors and actresses in Nigerian film industry that gather up, go to politicians, have hidden meetings with them, have public meetings with them, be on the stage and campaign for them. You killed all those Nigerians out there. Tonight, starting from the day we started the protest, now, I see you, you devil, you devil, you dare raise up your hand. You raise up your bloody hand. You are shouting, revolution, revolution. Damn you. I can't curse your children, like I said. All of you. I cannot. Because you've already cursed them. But I pray, and I pray to God that God forgives your sin in your children's body so that they can tell you and point to you how bad of a human you are. You want their life to be better. Why you are destroying? You want 1, 2, 3, 4 lives to be better. Why you are destroying 190 million others? Shame on you. My second video is coming. Sorry, the video was 14 minutes exactly, so I had to cut. You actors, you Nigerian movie stars, I'm coming to you, English sector, but for you that are Nigerian actors from Yoruba sector, Elebini, I have known you while I was growing. I grew up to meet you. I still met you being hungry. You are all thieves. Some of you messaged me on my DM and said, "Oh, Aremu, we did not see you at the protest ground. Why? You should be here. Stop talking on Instagram." God will punish you and judge you, you stupid fool. I've been talking before you started your nonsense, before you started your rubbish. All the fucking hands you raised up while you were shouting, "Save Nigeria, end SARS, end politics, end everything." Every of the word I've spoken before, way before you, surpasses every stupid thing you've done. Most of you didn't go to the protest ground to protest. You went for women, you went for drink, you went for food, you went to make network when Nigerians are bleeding. You know yourself. You know what you went for. I have heard about protests before. I told you, I said this is how Nigerian government knows that we are fools. We are not focused. We are having a protest. Small, quiet protest. Harmless protest. And you are looking for food. You are playing music. We are all dancing. We now turn it to rally like a normal thing, like subsidy. It's a protest about how the country is going to get better. Don't get me wrong before you start saying and spitting stupid things out. I didn't say nobody should know it. Everyone can eat. Everyone can even sleep. But what is the meaning of having a protest and calling musicians to play on stage? I've never seen such protests. Do you know what they will call us? Oh, I told you, they are jokers. Don't worry. Just give them like 3 weeks. They will finish. They will go home. Is that what we really want? Wait. Your fathers, they begged to become an actor. They begged. Alagbe lo man pe won, alagbe, people who beg for harms. Alagbe, they beg for harms to perform. Say, please, we will perform for you. Please just give us little thing. They don't take actors serious. In the 70s, they don't take actors serious. No. Why do you think my father married how many wives? 10 wives? Or how many? I don't care. I don't know. He married them mostly because then parents cannot leave their children to act. They don't believe in acting, just like they don't believe in football in my country. So people, musicians and actors, film producers have to marry many wives so that they can use them in their movies. Oh, you think Adelove can manage one woman, not to talk of 10? Your parents, my parent begged to become someone, just to have a name. And you still want me to let my children beg to eat, and you cannot fight for them, and you are collecting money from this evil. All of you actors would die in pain. You will die. You will die in pain. You killed those people. You let everybody run to America. You let them run to Europe. You are the people who encourage this bastard to kill all these innocent people today. You killed everybody today. You bloody. You will beg for food. You will peep. You will find food on the ground. You will not see. You will be punished in hell. All of you. They killed a lot of people. They stuck a knife in the eye of a policeman. What did he do? He didn't shoot those boys. You did. You actors. You English actors. Yoruba actors. Hausa actors. You killed them all. You think they didn't call me to come and protest for them? You think I'm stupid like you? You think the money they will give me can even buy my TV? I'm a prostitute. You call me a gigolo, right? I'm fucking better than you. I'm a prostitute. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm better than a thief. You're a thief. You're making 200 million people suffer. You stupid. They call you genius. Your movies cannot even get to South Africa. You stupid fools. They call you stars with your fathers and the children and the grandchildren. All of you. 2010. 2020, it will never be forgotten. Sanwo olu, you're a bloody murderer. You are a bloody murderer. Pastor Adeboye, you are a fucking stupid murderer. You killed all those people because you cannot call this politician. I thought you were a rabbi of God. I thought you are of God. You killed those people. Oh, you stupid crown. You said you are crown chief. You are Hobbers. All of you Hobbers of the Igbo, Benin, Yoruba, Igbo, everyone. You killed Nigerians today and you will suffer for it. Your children will suffer. You will never see any your nǹkan burúkú lọ màmá jalè yìí lórí gbogbo ẹ̀mí tẹ pátápátá gbogbo òbí tó ń ké, all the people, all the parents that are crying today, all of them are crying will judge you. You will be killed. You will be cold in your burial ground. That's the worst death I can ever wish you, all of you. You worry, plus your wife, you killed all Nigerians. All of you killed Nigerians today. You took off the CCTV, a general public CCTV. How the fuck do you think we are gullible? You put on the fucking light of the television and you made the soldier kill people. You will all die and perish. You will die and perish, all of you. See, you made me give birth to Inuade in America. As if American passport is going to make my daughter rich and famous. Our passport is just going to make her be able to buy ordinary gari in no payment at all. No payment. Bese. The passport is never going to make you get a better life. And you made me have a child there. She would never know Nigeria. All my children, all the children that have ever been with me, that I've seen, both my girlfriends, all of them that I love, all their cry, their endless cry will make you pay. All of you actors, if I've ever taken money from any politician, may all my generation die too. But if I've never taken money from you politicians, ẹni súnre ẹni kúre òtútù máa mú yín nínú bẹ̀rẹ̀ gíráǹdì yẹn sílẹ̀ máa ṣe ẹ̀yìn sí òkú síbi tó fà yín ẹgbẹ́ òkú yẹn àjùmọ̀bí òkú àjùmọ̀bí ẹ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ni ẹ dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí ọmọ tálíkà máa wò ó báwo lọ ṣe ni kò bọ̀ wá bá yín lé báwo lọ ṣe ni fìbọn pa gbogbo yín olórí burúkú nìyẹn ní sóríire bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́ ká sọ́fà. I have 40 years bíi tí ìròrí rẹ̀ ṣe olórí burúkú nìyẹn ní ṣó ẹ máa ṣòfò ní gbogbo yìí ni o àtọba àti ìjòyè gbogbo yìí ni o asọ̀rọ̀ kìí ò ní ròyìn ó máa wọlé yín lórí ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́ kí gbogbo ìyá òbí tó wò pé ọmọ mi jáde lẹ́nu ó padà bọ̀ wá bá mi lálẹ́ wá jẹ ẹ̀bà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe rí ẹ̀bà fún ọmọ yẹn jẹ lálẹ́ ebi máa pa yín nínú náà ni ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú òfò lẹ́ máa ṣe ẹ̀ ní kúre gbogbo Nàìjíríà tó wà ní diaspora pátápátá gbogbo wọn tó ń ké everybody are crying tonight àtọ̀ ẹ̀bẹ̀rù ọlọ́run ẹ gbowó gbogbo yín pátápátá tẹ ẹ gbowó ikú ẹ máa fi ṣèfàjẹ́ olórí burúkú nìyí ẹ̀yin lẹ jẹ́ ká sórí orí ibùta ṣe lálẹ́ ẹ̀yin ni you guys are done, yeah? You've taken the money for the past 8 years, or 7 years, or 4 years. Hope you bought a Bugatti. Hope you bought a Pagani, you son of a motherfucker. You sick here. You are sick here. Sanwo olu, you are... Congratulations, you are popular tonight. You're popular than me. I'm an actor. No one should be popular than me, but you're bloody popular than me tonight. Yeah, I know. Your mother, you added another name to your name. Sanwo olu. Jide Sanwo olu. Mother. That's a classic name. Your name will reign in history. You and your Tinubu, your president, all of you in the Senate. Let me give you an example. I watched a movie called Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. It's just a little movie. It makes no sense. It's a science fiction, but it makes a whole lot of sense to me. You know why? The devil, Percy Jackson went to save his mother from the underworld, from the devil. Then when they got there, the devil was calling the girlfriend to come and give them drinks and all. And he keeps calling the girlfriend. Hey, Aisha. Hey, Rebecca, whatever name. Hey, Rebecca, how many times did I call you? You better get here or what, or else. And Rebecca answered. She said, or what? Or what? I'm in hell already. What the fuck do you want to do? That is what Nigerians are telling you now. Please, what will you do after you've killed? Remember, you give us anarchy. You're an anarchist. Sanwo olu, you are a bloody anarchist. With all of the people that have come before you, with all the people that will still be there, you are bloody anarchist. And when we want to give our own anarchism, you blame us. That is the meaning of Eshinshin Jegbo. Ijotejbo Bama swallow Eshinshin Araya wa pariwo. Ask for that. You will be punished.
I hear one thing, all those saying those.
Shit, man, that's Oriental, man. That's Oriental Hotel.
The fire they show, come see.
I just see the fire now.
It's just the start.
Oh, more, I just see the fire.
The fire just the loom.
Shit, man.
They thought guys are joking. They thought that guys are joking. In my whole life, have never seen youth, Nigerian youth, so determined. So determined for a change. We are tired of this nation. We are tired of this country. We are tired of bad leaders. We are tired. We are fucking frustrated. Look at GTB. Look at GTB back. Everywhere is burning. Everywhere is burning. Everywhere fire. Everywhere. Look at Corbis is burning. GTB is burning. Look at.